go. I know how it feels when yeah, it's just me and Moolah in the studio. I know how it feels when you don't talk.
What's up, you guys? It's your boy Boosie Boo, man. We here with another vlog.
The back brakes wasn't even doing nothing, like it was locking.
Yeah. Who we got right here? 93?
Yes, sir. We
outside, man.
Yes, sir.
We fixing them cars today.
Yes,
So
sir.
long story short, I was trying to see about these brakes. I ain't getting no fluid from the back. The front got hella juice. But evidently, whatever the fuck this is, this bitch is turned off, bro. That bitch all the way
Down.
screwed down. So if you screw it this way, that bitch got play. But this how it was set. But this is the actual line that's going to the back, feeding the back.
When we picked it up, it was all the way down.
Yeah.
And so we not knowing nothing, we put it back down. But when we unscrewed, when we pulled it up, the car started rolling.
No shit.
Yes, but you see in the front got some juice, right?
Yeah, the front got fluid.
But ain't nothing in the back, so that's probably bad. But we pulled that whole all the way up, that's when it started moving. When you pulled it halfway, it didn't do nothing, see. So
yeah, I don't know much about these willow woods, but I'm guessing a nigga leave that bitch at least half.
like that, yeah.
And we pump it a little bit, cause I'm guessing when it's closed, it's drilling all the way down, so I'm pretty sure it's closing that bitch off.
yeah.
So you leave it up, just let the fluid go through that motherfucker from this little port down here, cause it's the front side. All these two hoses, the one in the middle, that's going to that brake line. This one here going straight to this brake caliper. And this one in the back, shit going to the back. So
Yeah.
open that bitch up. Hey, pump on them out. We're gonna see what we get.
Let me go pump on them out.
Me pump on them hoes. What it feel like?
Shit, no brakes.
Pump it like 6 times and hold it.
Hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's something that's.
All right, look, I'm gonna use this vacuum real quick.
When the brakes wasn't working, another man that cat pulled had the Chevelle same year. And he said one of the hoses was for the back was off.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you could tell which one is off, but he said one of the hoses from the back was off. That's why I didn't get it.
Oh, so you saying that bitch ain't even connected?
Yeah.
I'm supposed to be holding the brake.
You can let it go.
Oh shit. It look good up in here.
All black. All black thing.
I ain't gonna lie, this whole here sexy than a bitch.
Sexy thing. With that big boy motor.
Police over there just chilling. I want to light the wood back up on his ass. I think I'm gonna pass. There's a seatbelt.
The seatbelts go up top. What the hell? I thought that bitch was falling.
I'm finna say, uh-oh.
Brakes ain't doing nothing.
That bitch finally getting a little vacuum, but still ain't getting no fluid through that motherfucker. Bitches ain't doing shit, my boy.
Something wrong with the brakes, my boy.
I'm thinking, it's some more shit, man. I wonder who did these hoes.
With the brakes?
Yeah. I know it's something going on too, cause that bitch grinding on this damn thing. You see all that brake dust on that bitch. That's why he was saying when it It ain't no pressure on them bitches, nigga. When he go backwards, them hoes a lock type shit.
That nigga can't even go in reverse.
Can't. No, the vacuum ain't tripping. That's how that bitch do. Look at the gauge. When you hold that bitch, see how that bitch going up? That bitch at down there 12 PSI on the vacuum blast. That bitch go up, nigga. So basically, it's just supposed to pull all the air out until the fluid come. That bitch ain't catching shit.
Both sides.
Now, I ain't try the other side. I'm finna go try the other side, but I wasn't getting no fluid over there neither. But I'm finna go see if there's any kind of juice over there.
Them toys out. Blue balls in there. The sticky ickies. Oh, that's them sticky icky motherfucker.
Damn. Hey, pump that bitch a little bit up in the motherfucker. We gonna do it about 3 times. We gonna see what's up. 1, 2, 3. Bro, them brakes ain't gonna do shit, bro. Cause it ain't, you on the brake now, nigga, and I can move this bitch. You feel me? They got some more shit going on, nigga. It's plain and simple. And watch, the front ain't gonna move. Yeah, the front moved, the whole motherfucker moving with the front, like, with the back, that bitch ain't supposed to be like that, bro. So it's something not letting that fluid get to the back. That shit crazy, man.
Nigga raced the car. How we gonna stop it?
What? It's gonna stop from the front, but shit, the back ain't doing nothing. But you gonna need all that with that big block. Yeah, you gonna need all that. That shit crazy, nigga. I see the lines ran into it.
This is bad. We don't know what it is. We'll be back in a minute.
That motherfucker, the whole caliper mount. You gotta look like right up in here. You see that bit? I'll probably come from this way. If you look this way, you can see that bitch broke. Right here, nigga, look.
Damn. The fuck?
Yeah.
Y'all see that shit?
Damn, boy.
Got my boy riding like that, man. That's dangerous.
Yeah.
Well,
There's always something, though, nigga.
looks like we got another problem on our hand with these cars. We can't get no motor put in on time. We can't get no brakes. Shit. Life whipping. This ain't my car. I say life whipping my ass right now. But this ain't even my car. But life still whipping my ass. Cause my car tore up too, shit. Fuck it. We ain't got no brakes. We ain't got no brakes. We ain't got no brakes in this car. So might well put the wheels back on it.
That's what I'm thinking, bro.
Put it back in the garage.
Put the whole back. There's no point, bro.
Or leave it like that.
What?
Somebody gonna come put some brakes on it?
I mean, if you want to just either put them whole, cause he can't drive it nowhere.
Yeah, he can't drive it.
So matter of fact, I wouldn't even put them hoes back
I'll
on.
just wait till he get up here.
Yeah.
And see what he gonna do. It's alright.
Unless he gonna get it towed somewhere.
He gonna have to definitely get it towed. Cause that bitch ain't got no brakes and one broke.
He got one brake.
That's why that hoe was locking up, though, for sure. Cause that bitch broke, so whenever he do bag up, that bitch just barely hanging on, so he bag up, that bitch lock in. You feel me?
You know what? That whole power got broken when we picked it up because he was trying to. When we picked it up, it was locking up in the back though, and we was forcing that hoe to go, and we found riding that hoe with one brake the whole time.
Yeah.
I guess I can at least see what the fuck part that is, so they at least know the name of the bitch. Is that the actual?
Found out the problem. Brake broke. We ain't got no brakes. We gonna get it together, man. Good thing we only taking Hellcats to classics. Everybody in Hellcat. That's how it need to be. Last year we was in the blue bitch, that whole shut down on the nigga. Yeah, I lost some $1,500 earrings that night.
Shit, I still lost my grill. You remember my other grill, bitch? That bitch
Oh
is gone.
yeah.
I don't know where that bitch
Nigga,
is.
I lost
Orlando somewhere, nigga.
$1,500 earring. Everybody was panicking. And we still got drunk though. We still got drunk, Ken. For sure.
That's the night of the white lips.
The boy don't know that about that, huh? Man, y'all into that Ralph, man. ZL1 Trackhawk, ZL1, man. Into that Ralph. Think it's gonna be a short vlog for today because we ain't gonna be able to do nothing to this car, so sure. If some more interesting stuff come up, y'all got y'all another vlog. I'm out.
Say, man, this is the end of the vlog, man. It's the end of the vlog, man. We in this over at Mox's, and man, I'm with the gang for real. This the gang that y'all don't even see on YouTube. This for real.
He ain't want to record. He just about to beat the key man up, man.
Oh, man. Yeah, he ain't want to record this part. Where that nigga at? Alright. Hey, man. Tell my vlog, what up? Tell him. Huh? You drunk, man. Talk. You know, somebody cook some up. Yeah, man. We out there, bitch. We ending the vlog. We finna go turn up at Crew tonight. All the bad bitches finna be there. If you got a woman, shit, you better get from there. Boost single with all 50 hoes. I got a hoe from the age 18 to 52. What about you, boy? Oh, hey. Oh, hey. What? Hey, big man. Fuck that. Yeah. The big man. Yeah, dude. Yeah, he's big man like that man said, man. Yeah. What you got at home? What you got at home? He married. That's the man papers right there. Yeah, man, we got them box service outside, man. We finna go home, get washed up, man. We outside tonight, man. Swear, this the end of the vlog, man. I appreciate y'all people for watching, man. I know y'all say y'all tired of seeing me, but shit. Man, we might well cut them off, huh? They talking like that? Well, you guys, we gonna get back with y'all, man, when we see y'all at tomorrow's vlog.
It's just me and Moolah in the studio.